So, with that in mind, the next 3 slides are going to talk about this in a little bit more graphic terms. First one, David's familiar with this, Campbell Heights North in Surrey. It's actually built on a gravel line. There are no storm pipes in this development. All the runoff is infiltrated because that's what was happening naturally, so why change that? Why build a pipe? So Surrey's leading there here. So I guess for success, build on a gravel line. This is a good demonstration slide from from Langford, and watch this. This is water flowing out of the retaining wall. Look at the leaf coming out of that retaining wall, coming down there. That's a lot of water coming out of this retaining wall. And when you look up, look how high that retaining wall is. Do you really want to be standing underneath that retaining wall? So how did it get that way? Langford's a little bit unique. Their city center started developing on a gravel mine. And so their development standards say you will not have any pipes. You'll infiltrate all the water. And it worked perfectly in the downtown core while they were building on the gravel mine. But as development moved up the Bear Mountain, they still had the same standards. And they said no pipes. Yeah, that's right. And so the good engineers said, oh, we can do that. And so they did. And you can see the results. Here's another example of what's interesting here. What's interesting here is when you look at this, look up the road, and you won't see any catch basins. But look in here, you see something funny is happening because the barrier is there. And the pavement looks a little funny. So why is the barrier there? There's water there. Where is that water coming from? From the road base. Guess what? Hey, we're infiltrating all that water. It's got to come out somewhere. So, unintended consequences. We can, if you want us to infiltrate it, we can infiltrate it. The question is, do you really want us to? And it's a law, and I heard one of the engineers in Calgary actually say, we'll do this, but you have to tell us, where's the water going? How is it getting there? And is it causing any problems along the way? And I think we need to stand back and ask ourselves that question before we go ahead and say, yes, we're going to infiltrate everything. So it's just asking one question is do you really want to do this before we leap ahead? And sometimes the answer is yes, but sometimes the answer is, well, maybe you want to do something a little slightly different. So, with that in mind, the water balance targets. What we want to talk about is how do we establish them?